Hello. Before starting any strategy, combining audience insights and competitor benchmarking is crucial. Understanding your target market and competition helps you create a strategy that resonates with your audience and sets you apart, leading to growth and success. In short, gathering these insights allows you to make informed decisions and achieve your goals effectively. We're going to look at social monitoring versus social listening. Social media is a key tool for understanding your customers and improving your brand's position online. Two key methods to achieve this are: 1. Social monitoring, that is tracking and responding to messages directly related to your brand. 2. Social listening. This is actively analyzing conversations around your brand, industry, and related topics to understand audience sentiment and to improve your marketing approach. For example, after launching this course, viewers might mention it on social media. SEMrush can monitor these mentions by collecting comments, likes, and shares. But they can take it further with social listening, analyzing the sentiment behind the mentions to understand what viewers liked most and how to improve future content. We are going to talk about using the SEMrush social inbox. Now let's jump to SEMrush and explore the social inbox tool for monitoring and listening. Set up and connect social accounts, that is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. It doesn't work with TikTok for the moment. View and respond to mentions and messages for a single dashboard. Organize communication with features like tagging, filtering by author, and message type. Assign tasks to team members. This tool makes social media management easier by keeping all interactions in one place. You can track brand mentions, prevent potential reputation issues, and streamline your workflow. Best practices for social media monitoring and listening. To make the most out of your social media data, know your audience. Identify demographics, interests, and behavior. 2. Track relevant topics. Monitor industry keywords, hashtags, and discussions about your brand. 3. Develop a strategy. Use insights to create engaging content, partner with influencers, or run targeted ads. Competitor analysis with SEMrush Social Tracker. Beyond audience insights, tracking competitor social media strategies is critical for success. The social tracker tool helps compare engagement, content types, and position frequency across competitors. For example, analyzing Reebok versus Nike, Adidas, and Puma. Using SEMrush can compare engagement rates, a better metric that just allow follow account. Analyze top content. See what's performing well for competitors. Examine posting patterns. Identify the best days and types of content, e.g. Reels versus carousels. Check hashtags. Understand which competitor hashtags drive engagement. Let's take a deep look at Instagram analytics. Engagement metrics. Compare likes, comments, and shares across competitors. Audience growth. Monitor how fast competitors gain followers over time. Content type and frequency. See how often they post and which format they use. Videos, photos, or carousel. Best posting days. Discover which days generate the most engagement. For example, Nike's best posting days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and their most engaging formats are carousels and reels. Key factors for a winning social media strategy. Set clear objectives, that is awareness, engagement, and conversions. Understand your target audience. What, where, when will you share? Select the right content. Use trending topics, seasonal timing, and engaging formats. Optimize posting frequency. Post multiple times daily on Twitter, while Instagram favors Reels and Stories. Choose the right platforms. Fashion brands thrive on Instagram. News works better on Twitter. Continuously track and optimize. Use SEMrush Social Tracker to measure success and refine your strategy. Final recap. We've covered the importance of audience for social media strategy, how to use social media monitoring and listening effectively with your social SEMrush inbox, the value of competitor analysis using social tracker tool. In our next video, we'll start building an organic social media strategy. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.